Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In today's class, we will learn integration MCQ theory questions, dear students. Let us continue. Question number 11. Integration of 10 into x raised to 9 plus 10 raised to x log base c 10 dx divided by x raised to 10 plus 10 raised to x is equal to. So they are given options 4. So which option will be correct? We'll see. So it's a very easy question, dear students. Easily you can solve. So now try to understand here. Integration of what? 10 into x raised to 9, 10 raised to x log 10. Base you write or you may not write, doesn't matter. So whole divided by what? X raised to 10 plus x 10 raised to x. So now see how to solve this one. Put t is equal to what? X raised to 10 plus 10 raised to x, dear students. Put what? X raised to 10 plus 10 raised to x. Denominator is taken as t, dear students. Now differentiate with respect to x. dt by dx. X raised to 10 derivative is what? X raised to 10 derivative is 10 into x raised to 9, dear students. 10 minus 1 is what? 9 only. X raised to n, you know, n into x raised to n minus 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9, dear students. So 10 raised to x derivative is what? It is looking like a raised to x, dear students. 10 raised to x is looking like a raised to x. A raised to x derivative, you know, a raised to x is what? A raised to x log a. Many of the students will forget this formula, dear students. So please remember this. A raised to x derivative is a raised to x into log a. A raised to x is what? A is what? 10, no? 10 raised to x log 10, dear students. A is nothing but 10 I am writing. Clear everyone? So now see here, what will happen? Base c you write or you may not write, doesn't matter. So I have written here because in our question it is that. So dt is equal to, so dx I will cross multiply. What is that here? 10 into x raised to 9 plus 10 raised to x log base c 10 into dx, dear students. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? dx ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. a raised to x derivative a raised to x log a. Clear? X raised to 10 into 10 into x raised to 9. So now you see all of you. What this is? This is your numerator or not? See here, yes or no? Numerator of 10 into x raised to 9, 10 raised to x log 10 into dx. It is there or not? Then we can substitute the values. Numerator is nothing but what? This is dt. And what is your denominator? Denominator x raised to 10 plus 10 raised to x is what? T, no? T I can write. 1 by t integration is what? Log mod t plus c, dear students. What is the t value? T value you know already. What is the t value? X raised to 10 plus 10 raised to x. T value I am substituting the plus c. And this is our required answer, dear students. We will check which option matching. So log x raised to 10, log is there in only D option. So option D is the correct, dear students. X raised to 10, 10 raised to x plus c, which is matching with our answer. I hope you understood. So please copy this. We'll see the next question, dear students. I hope all of you are copied. Now let us see the next question, dear students. So question number 12 says what? What they had asked you see here. Integration e raised to x into sin x plus cos x into dx is equal to. So 4 options they are given. Very simple question, dear students. This is called as halva question for us. They are giving, board is giving halva for us. So now see, one of the different question and easy also. So I will write the question: integration e raised to x into sin x plus cos x into dx. Dear students, as you know in previous video I had discussed with you. So this formula, can you remember? Integration of e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x into dx is given as e raised to x into f of x plus c, dear students. Can you remember this? So the given question is looking like same to same. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಫರ್ಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಸೇಮ್ ಟು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ e raised to x is the f of x. What dear students? F of x is sin x. Derivative of f dash of x means what? F of x derivative. Sin x derivative is what? Cos x only. Yes or no? That means f of x is here what? That is sin x. And f dash of x is what here? Cos x, dear students. Then our answer is what? E raised to x into f of x. E raised to x. Therefore our final answer is e raised to x into f of x. F of x is what? Sin x plus c. This is a halwa question for you. I hope you understood. Chamka ke nahi sabko? Chamka. So no problem then. So you please copy this. We'll see the next question, dear students. Yes? Okay. I hope you have copied the question. So now next question we will see, dear students. So what they are given, you see integration 0 to 2 by 3 dx divided by 4 plus 9x square is equal to 4 options they are given. You are observing. This is also something different question, dear students. Actually this is called as a lollipop question. So now see here how to solve this lollipop question. So first you see how I will write 0 to 2 by 3 dx divided by 4. 4 I can write it as 2 square, dear students. 4 I am writing it as 2 square. 4 na 2 square anta baribodu. So now see here. Next one. 9 I can write it as 3 square. 3 square I can write into x square is that. Clear? So now see how I will write this one. 0 to 2 by 3 dx whole divided by 2 square plus 3x whole square I can write. Yes or no? So because square belongs to 3 also, square belongs to x also. So then I can write it as 3x whole square. Square belongs to 3 also, x also, dear students. I hope it is clear. So now see here how this is looking. That is very important for us. It is looking like 1 upon a square plus x square, dear students. So many of you are not remembering, I think. Yes, no? So this is the actually formula from exercise 7.4, dear students. So 1 upon a square plus x square. So those who remember, that's a great, we can say. Those who don't remember, don't worry. I am there for you. I will help you. So now see here, I will write the formula 1 upon a tan inverse x by a, dear students. This is the formula for that. So 1 upon a square plus x square is what? 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. So how to solve this one, you see. Very important is what? Directly we are solving this one. It is looking like same you are saying no, but x is related with something here. Yes, can you see? X is related with what? 3 or not? Clear? So that's why you have to divide by first only 3. 1 by 3 I will write first only. Otherwise, if you are not dividing 1 by 3, you have to take this 3x as t. T is equal to 3x. Then you have to take the derivative of that. Artha aita? Idanna ನೀವು 3x ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 x ಮುಂದೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ t is equal to 3x ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದ್ರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಆ ತರ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ x ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮೊದಲೇ, डायरेक्ट आगे निಮಗೆ उत्तर सिगता. सो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, x के साथ जो भी है ना नंबर आगे हैं उसको डिवाइड करना है. वो भी कब, ये लीनियर है तो. when it is linear, no, that time only you have to divide by what number it is having a. Yes or no? So that's why. So you remember now what you can write. 1 by a, I will use the formula 1 by 3 I have written because x is related with 3 and divided 3 first only. I will use directly. We can't put t is equal to 3x. It is a time consuming. 1 upon a. A is how much? Can you compare a square? A square means 2 square. I don't want a square. I want only a. A is what? 2, dear students. Tan inverse x by a. X is what? X square you are saying, no? X is what here? X is 3x. 3x by a. A is what? 2. And what the intervals they are given? 0 to 2 by 3. Don't write plus a. Plus a will not come. 1 into 1, 1. 1 by 6. 3 2s are 6. And now see, I have to substitute the values in this. Tan inverse 3x. X value is how much? Upper limit you substitute 2 by 3 divided by 2 minus tan inverse. When you are substituting the lower limit, you have to write minus sign. So tan inverse 3 into 0 divided by 2. We can write 3 get cancelled. So now tan inverse 2 by 2 means how much? Tan inverse 1 you will get. Yes or no? Tan inverse 2 by 2 is nothing but tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse how much? See here, 3 into 0, 0 by 2 is 0, dear students. Tan inverse 0. Now how much you will get? You see, tan inverse 1 means how much? Pi by 4. When it will become tan inverse 1? 45 degree. Pi by 4. Tan inverse 0 is how much? 0, dear students. So this will give 1 into pi is pi, 6 into 4 is 24, dear students. This is our required answer. So that will match with C, dear students. I hope it is clear. If you are understanding the video, please like my channel. Don't forget. So we'll see the next question, dear students. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. I hope all of you have copied and you had liked the channel also. Yes, no? Please like, don't forget. We'll see the next question now. So now see here. Integration 1 to root 3 divided by 1 plus x square is equal to. What the answer that you have to say here in this option. This is again halva question for you. Integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x square is nothing but tan inverse x, dear students. Tan inverse x derivative is what? 1 upon 1 plus x square, no? So integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. So how much it is? Root 3 upper limit and lower limit is 1. So now you substitute the values. What you will get? You see, tan inverse root 3 minus tan inverse 1. So tan inverse root 3 is how much? Tan inverse root 3. Tan inverse root 3 when it will become? It will become in 60 degree, dear students. Pi by 3 minus tan inverse 1, that is pi by 4. Yes or no? 60 minus 45 is what? 15. 15 how will write? Pi by 12, dear students. Pi by 12. 15 degree is written as pi by 12, dear students. So 180 by 12 is 15. So yes or no? Pi by 6. Pi by 3 is what? 60. Pi by 4 is what? 45. 60 minus 45 is 15 degree. 15 degree is nothing but pi by 12, dear students. This is our required answer, that is matching with option D, dear students. So we'll see the next question. Please copy this one. I hope all of you have copied. Now let us see the next question, dear students. The value of integration minus 92 plus 90 pi by 2 minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 x cube plus x into cos x plus tan raised to 5 x plus 1 dx is. They are given again 4 options. We have to check which is the correct one. This is a different question. Really different question. So now see here. Please try to understand which is there in your theory also, dear students. So now see how to solve. Yeah, it is there in objective. Please go through 7.10 exercise now. So now see here. Integration of minus 92 plus 90. What is there? X cube is there. I will write plus x into cos x. I will write plus tan raised to 5x into dx. I will write. Will you agree? Dx is taken. Integration is applied for this all. So next up. Here you see the game changes here. Minus 92 plus 90 integration is there. Integration is there for 1 also or not. So I am separating them both. Why I am separating you will understand. Integration of 1 I will write into dx. Clear everyone? Integration of 1 into dx. Integration already minus 92 plus 90. Clear everyone? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ನ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ 1 ಕ್ಕೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇದೆ. ಎರಡನ್ನ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ what is that? This is that. So this is, I will call it as what? F of x dear students. F of x is what? X cube plus x into cos x plus tan raised to 5x dear students. Clear? So now what will happen? I will replace x by minus x. See why I am using this one. You know f of x is replaced by what? X is replaced by minus x. I am checking whether it is a even or odd. Even I had discussed in 6 marks dear students. What is even and odd function? So that is property. Last one we have done. So now here also I have to check this is odd or even. If it is odd means you will get the answer 0. If it is even means 2 into 0 to a f of x. A is nothing but pi by 2. Minus a to a it is. I am using the last property. So now see here. We will substitute here x by what? Minus x. Minus x cube minus x into cos of minus x and tan raised to 5 of minus x. So now see here, minus x cube is minus x cube, minus x whole cube is what? Minus x cube only, because odd number will give negative dear students. Odd number ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ negative ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. So minus plus into minus minus x. Now see cos of minus x. ಇದು ಹೇಗಂದ್ರೆ ಆನೆಗೆ ಇದಿರತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹಲ್ಲು ಬರೀ ಕಾಣ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ತರ, ತಿನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. सो cos ऑफ माइनस एक्स क्या होता है? cos x होता है. समझ में आ रहा है? सो ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos of minus x ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So tan raised to 5 of minus x. Tan of minus x is what? Minus tan x dear student. And odd number is there. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ odd ಇದೆ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Tan of minus x ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus tan x. Minus tan x raised to 5 is minus tan raised to 5x dear students. Clear? So now what you will get here? I will take minus sign outside. What you are remaining with? See here. X cube plus x into cos x plus tan raised to 5x. So what is this? This is what? Whole term. That is f of x. Here minus is there, minus f of x. If f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x means function is odd dear students. F is what? F is an odd function. Odd function. Then this value will become odd. This value will become 0. Yes or no? Plus what you are remaining with? Minus 92 plus 90 integration 1 into dx. Clear everyone? So this value will become 0. This whole term. Because why? F is an odd function dear students. Odd function means property I had told, that is the I value will become 0 dear students. Integration of 1 is what now? Integration of 1 x, that is minus 92 plus 90 interval, substitute now, plus pi by 2 minus, while substituting second interval you have to write minus sign. Lower limit when you are substituting, no, that time you have to write minus. So minus of minus pi by 2. So minus into minus how much? Plus pi by 2. When denominators are same, numerator should be added. 2 pi by 2, 2 get cancelled, you will get the answer as pi dear students, and pi is there in C option. I hope it is clear. You have understood. So we will see the next question now. Please copy this. I hope all of you have copied. We will see the next question dear students. Question number 16. Integration of log x by x into dx is equal to. They are given again 4 options. In this, which is the correct one, you have to see. So now see, I will write the question this time. Integration of log x divided by x into dx ds students. So now how to solve this one? You see, I will put t is equal to log x ds students. Put t is equal to what? Log x. So what is the derivative of log x ds students with respect to x? dt by dx. It will become dt by dx. Log x derivative is 1 by x ds students. So now cross multiply. What you will get? X into x into dt is x dt, dx into 1 is dx. Even you can write directly dx, you take this side, dx by x is nothing but dt you can write. So but for many of the students will not understand, for them I am writing everything here. So log x is taken as what? T. I will substitute these values in this. So see here once again I will repeat. Put t is equal to log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. I am cross multiplying x into dt, dx into 1 is dx. So now you substitute. Log x is what? T whole divided by x. Dx value is how much? Dx value is, can you see here? X into dt. X get cancelled. Integration of t. Integration of x you think. It is looking like x only. X into dx. Integration of t into dt is what? Integration of x is t square, x square by 2 you will write. Integration of x is what? X square by 2 you will write. Integration of t is nothing but t square by 2 ds students plus c. Don't say 1. It's a derivative. Derivative I am not asking. Integration of x is not 1. I am asking you integration, not derivative. Got it? So t is what, dear students? T is nothing but log x whole square divided by 2 plus c. Clear? So this is our required answer that will match with option A, dear students. I hope it is clear everyone. Understood? So we'll see the next question. Please copy this one. I hope all of you are copied. We'll see the next question, dear students. Question number 17. Integration of sec x square 3x plus 5 dx is what? So I will write 4 options are given. This is a alpha question. Sec x square 3x plus 5 into dx. So directly I will say. So indirectly also I will say how it is coming. Regular method. Because you have to understand the difference what I am saying you. ನಿಮಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ಈಸಿ ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ sec x square x it is looking like this is inside is linear 3x plus 5. So it is looking like sec x square x you are saying. So पहले ही बोला था मैं, ನಾನು ಮೊದಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ x ಜೊತೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ x ಜೊತೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೊದಲೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. x ಜೊತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮುಂದಗಡೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಂದಗಡೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತೀರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಹಿಂದಗಡೆನಾ x ಹಿಂದಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಅಲ್ಲ, x ಜೊತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಈ ತರ ಇಂಟು ಇದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? सो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, इंटू रहा तो x के साथ जो नंबर वो डिवाइड करना है. लीनियर होना वो भी, ಇದು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಗ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ 1/3 sec x square x is what? Integration of sec x square. Sec x square x is tan x. X is what? 3x plus 5 no? Plus c. And we got the answer, dear students. That is B option. This is one method. And another method which you are saying, no, this is very big, I am saying. That also I will say you. Actually, this is our method. This is how big you are doing and we are doing this. We are only will say better. T is equal to what? 3x plus 5. You will take this sum only, I am saying. Derivative of 3x plus 5 is what? 3x derivative is 3. 5 derivative is 0. So how much you will get? dt by 3 is equal to dx. 3 is taken down, dx is sent here. Clear? So now you substitute these values. So what it will become? Sec x square t. And what is dx? Dx is what? 3x plus 5 is the t, dear students. T I am substituting here. Dx is what? dt by 3. 1 by 3 will take out. Integration of sec x square t into dt. Integration of sec x square t is what? Tan t plus c. And what is t? T is nothing but what? T what you have taken now? That is 3x plus 5 plus c. See how big method we are doing this. This much time it will take for writing. Same answer you will get. You check. Yes or no? So that's why I am saying ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. MCQ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಹಳ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. So I think you understood this one. We'll see the next question. Please copy this. So that's the B answer. I hope all of you are copied. We'll see the next question, dear students. Question number 18. Integration 1 upon square root x square plus 3 dx is equal to what? So 4 options are there. We'll check one by one. First I will write the question in this form. 1 upon square root x square plus, so 3 I can write it as like this, square root 3 whole square. Yes or no? Square ಮತ್ತು root ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 3 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So square और root गए तो same to same 3 आता है. So now how this is looking? ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. So therefore integration of square root of x square plus a square into dx. Can you remember this formula? 1 upon square root x square plus a square. So this is also there in exercise 7.4 integration. So now see here, how to write log of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. This is the formula for this question, dear students. See how easily they are given. So now you can substitute the values. Integration of 1 upon square root x square plus a square. A is nothing but root 3, dear students. So apply the formula log x. X is what here? X only, no change. Plus square root of x square plus a square. A square means what? Root 3 whole square. Root 3 whole square is nothing but 3 only, dear students. Plus c. Root 3 whole square is what? Square root get cancelled. 3 only will get. So this is our required answer. That will match with option B, dear students. We have taken here mod. They are not that much only the difference. No change. Answer will not differ. So that is the B option is correct, dear students. I hope you understood. We'll see the next question. Please copy this. I hope all of you have copied. We'll see the next question, dear students. Question 19. Integration e raised to x 1 plus x dx divided by sin square x into e raised to x is equal to what they had asked. So these are the options. Something similar question we have solved in video number 1 also, dear students. Integration MCQ. So similarities are not same. Don't get confused. There is a difference. You observe a video 1 and this one, so you will understand. So now what I will take here, put t is equal to, similarly we will solve. Put t is equal to x into e raised to x. So derivative, differentiate with respect to x, that will become dt by dx u into v. U into v, x into e raised to x will look like u into v. X is written as is, e raised to x derivative is e raised to x, and e raised to x is written as is, derivative of x is 1. I will not write that. So dt, so what is common here? E raised to x is common. What you are left with? X plus 1, dear students. Dx you cross multiply, dx will come this side. Dx is taken this side. Understood everyone? Very clear? Chamkagini? So now you substitute the values. See here, e raised to x into x plus 1 into dx is what? Dt whole divided by sin square x into e raised to x is what? X into e raised to x t. So integration of 1 by sine square 1 by sine square t is what? 1 by sine square. 1 by sine square is nothing but cosec square t dt ds students. I hope everyone you are understanding this. Integration of cosec square t. Integration of cosec square x ds student, what it is? Integration of cosec square x is what? Minus cot x. So x का जगह में क्या है? t. In place of x what it is? t. x बदली t ಇದೆ, t ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Integration of cosec square ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus cot x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So what is the t value? t is what? x into e raised to x plus c. So this is our required answer that will match with B. B is the correct answer, dear students. So we'll see the one more question. So afterwards we will end the session, dear students. Please copy this one. I hope all of you have copied. So we'll see the last question of the session, dear students. Question number 20. Integration of e raised to x into tan x plus log of sec x into dx is equal to. They are given 4 options for us. So now let us see. First I will write the question properly. So try to understand how I will do. Integration of e raised to x into tan x. Integration e raised to x into tan x. Dx I will take inside. Dx as came. Understood? So plus integration of e raised to x into this. Integration e raised to x into log of sec x into dx, dear students. Dx is taken for this also. So now try to understand here. What is this one? You can see here. E raised to x into this is that. Very clearly observe. So how to solve this one you see. So e raised to x into log sec x and e raised to x into tan x. So now I will write this one as is. E raised to x into tan x into dx. I will write as is. Plus. So now this one how to solve you see. E raised to x into log of sec x into dx. How to solve you know. This is looking like e into v, dear students. Islet condition you know. Islet condition says what? Inverse first, logarithm second, algebra third, trigonometry fourth, exponent is fifth, dear students. So now here e raised to x is what? Last term. And logarithm, log of sec x is what? Logarithm, no? So this is the nothing but u, which will come from, no, that is u. And बाद में जो आता है that is v. ಯಾವುದು ಮೊದಲು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಅದು u ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು v ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. u into v formula you know. U into v formula, those who don't know, you see here u is written as is integration of v I have to take and derivative of, see here, integration of derivative of u into integration of v dx into dx. This is the formula, dear students. U into v. U is what? What is u? Log of sec x is written as is. Log of sec x. Clear? And what is integration of v? V is what? E raised to x integration is e raised to x, dear students. Derivative of. Now try to understand here. Derivative of log sec x. Derivative of u. U is what? Log sec x. Log sec x is looking like log x, dear students. Log x derivative is what? What is the derivative of log x? 1 by x. But this is not x. This is not x. हाँ ये x नहीं है तो क्या करना डेरिवेटिव लेना ही है ना ಇದು x ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ डेरिवेटिव ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಸೋ log x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by x ಅಂದ್ರಿ ಸೋ ಇದು x ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ x ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು डेरिवेटिव ತಗೋಬೇಕು sec x डेरिवेटिव ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ sec x into tan x, dear students. Now integration of v means e raised to x. Integration is e raised to x into dx. I will erase this, dear students, because this is not required now. I hope you have understood this formula. This also I will erase. So now see, almost all I had used. Nothing is there in that. So now see here, into dx. Dx I will write. Clear? This is into dx. Sec x get cancelled. So now integration of e raised to x into tan x dx plus e raised to x. E raised to x I will take from log of sec x minus what you are remaining with e raised to x into tan x dx. Clear? E raised to x into tan x into 1 is same only, you know. Clear everyone? ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಲಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ why I have not applied you understood u into v for this? Because to cancel this plus this is minus both will cancel. What you are remaining answer e raised to x log of sec x plus c dear students. This is our required answer which will match with option. Option is matching with c dear students. Clear up everyone? I hope you understood each and everything I feel. So if you are understanding from this video something, please like and subscribe my channel. So each like will inspires me to do the next video dear students. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಚಾನಲ್ ದಿಂದ ಏನಾದರೂ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಿಂದ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನನಗೂ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ಮೈ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ डियर स्टूडेंट्स. थैंक यू. प्लीज कॉपी दिस.